Hey everyone, welcome to my video on Introduction to Java. Today we'll dive into what Java is, why it's so popular, and some of the amazing things you can build with it. Now, what is Java? Java is a powerful, general-purpose, high-level programming language. It was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. Now, Java is object-oriented. Let me write it down. Java is object-oriented. Means you can organize your code around real-world objects. Now, what are the goals for Java? When creating Java, James Gosling had 5 key goals in mind. What are these 5 goals? First, simplicity, object orientation, and familiarity. Now, Java needed to be easy to learn and use, attracting programmers from other languages. Second, robustness and security. Security is crucial, so Java was designed to be very safe and reliable. Third, architectural neutrality and portability. This is a game changer according to me. Now, Java code can run on virtually any device with a Java virtual machine, which is also called as JVM. Fourth, high performance. Java applications execute very efficiently. Fifth, and most important, interpreted, threaded, and dynamic. These features allow for flexibility and adaptability. Here's a simplified explanation of the terms interpreted, threaded, and dynamic in Java. Interpreted. Imagine we have a translator. Now, Java code isn't directly understood by your computer, so it's translated line by line by a program called the Java Virtual Machine or JVM into instructions your computer can understand. This allows Java to be platform independent. Second, threaded. What is threaded now? Think of multitasking. Java programs can handle multiple tasks at once, like downloading a file while you keep working. These tasks are called threads, making your programs more responsive. Third, dynamic. Now, Java is very flexible. Unlike some languages where everything is set in stone at the start, Java lets you adjust things on the fly, like loading new features while your program is running. Now, why is Java so popular? Let's talk about it. There are several key features which make Java a favorite among programmers. Now, what are they? Let me write it down. First, Java is platform independent. Okay, imagine writing a program once and being able to run it on your phone, laptop, or even a giant server at a company. That's the magic of Java's platform independence. Here's how it works. Now, when you write a Java program, it's translated into a special code called bytecode. This bytecode isn't specific to any one device. Now, Java comes the Java virtual machine. It acts like an interpreter, existing on pretty much any device that can run Java programs. The JVM runs the bytecode and translates it into instructions the specific machine understands. So you write your Java code once, the bytecode is portable, and the JVM on each device handles the final translation, allowing your program to run anywhere Java is present. Second, Java is object-oriented. Object-oriented programming. All right. Think of the world around you. It's full of real objects, cars, books, even a computer mouse. In object-oriented programming, we model these objects in our code. A Java program revolves around creating classes, which are blueprints for objects. Imagine a class called car. This class would define the properties of a car, for example, color, model, speed, and the actions it can perform, like accelerate or even taking brake. Each car you create in your program will be an object of the car class, and it would have its own specific color, model, and speed, but they would all share the same underlying functionalities defined in the car class. So this approach makes code more organized and reusable. You can create a car class once and use it to build any different types of cars in your program, saving you time and effort. Currently we are talking theory, but once we start doing practical code, everything will make more sense. Third, Java is very easy to learn. Yeah, so Java is easy to learn. Java is known for its clear and readable syntax, which is the set of rules that define how you write Java code. It uses a lot of everyday language concepts, making it easier for beginners to pick up compared to some other programming languages. Additionally, Java has a very well-defined structure. Well-defined structure. which means your code is organized in a logical way, making it easier to understand and maintain both for you and other programmers. Next, versatility. Java's strength lies in its ability to be used for a wide range of programming tasks. Now, whether you are building mobile apps like some popular Android ones, or even complex web applications that power major websites, or even scientific programs for data analysis, Java can handle it. This versatility comes from Java's rich set of libraries and frameworks, which are pre-written collections of code that provide functionality for specific tasks. You can leverage these tools to build different kinds of applications without reinventing the wheel each time. Let's talk about some real use cases of Java. So, Java's power extends to many areas. What exactly we can do with Java? Let's talk about it. Okay, so we can use Java in Android app development. Yes. Now, while other languages are emerging, Java remains a dominant force in Android app creation. What else we can use? We can do enterprise software. Yes. So major companies like Twitter, Amazon, and LinkedIn rely on Java for their backend systems, and that is where Java is heavily used. Next is web applications. Java is a popular choice for building complex and scalable web applications. And finally, scientific applications. Java's robust features make it suitable for scientific computing and data analysis. Now, let's talk about how Java works. What exactly we do? The programmer writes a source code. The source code is compiled into bytecode. Then, JVM reads the bytecode and translates it into machine code. And finally, the program runs on the specific machine. So these are the 4 steps. First is you write Java code. Second is you compile it. Third, that compiled code gets converted into bytecode. And finally, this bytecode is run on the specific machine. Finally, let's talk about JVM, JRE and JDK. Very, very important concepts and also asked in a lot in interviews. So what is JVM? It is a program that can be present on any PC or your phone or any compatible device. So we can execute Java code on any machine that has JVM or Java Virtual Machine. Now, there is something also called as JRE, which is called as Java Runtime Environment. JRE is like a package that includes everything your Java program needs to run. It consists of JVM along with core libraries and other components. So we can say JVM is like a subset or it's a part of JRE. So when you want to run a Java program on your computer, you need to have JRE installed. And lastly, we have JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit. JDK is like a toolbox for Java developers. It includes JRE along with additional tools like compilers and debuggers that you need to write and develop Java programs. So if you're planning to write Java code on your machine, you will need to install JDK on your computer. So in summary, let me write it for you. Okay. JVM, also called as Java Virtual Machine. It is the runtime environment that executes the Java bytecode. What is JRE? JRE, also called as Java Runtime Environment. It includes JVM along with libraries and other resources needed to run Java programs. Finally, JDK. JDK or Java Development Kit, it includes JRE and additional tools for developing Java applications. Alright, and that's it. Hope you liked this particular video. Please like it if you found it valuable and consider subscribing for more technical content. Have a good day.